Hey, are you sick of going round to your mum and dad's house and coming out smelling like a chip shop?
Yeah, man.
Well, how about getting one of these Ambiano 6.2 litre capacity air fryers from one of your local Aldi stores? I mean, look at the picture on the box. It looks amazing, doesn't it? Inside the box. Cheers, Dad. Thanks for the help. Inside, we get a detailed user guide. It will tell you all the functions, all the features of the Ambiano air fryer. We get a dishwasher safe, non-stick plate, and the black super glossy Ambiano air fryer itself. I must admit it's not very fingerprint friendly, I'm afraid, but you know what, it certainly has large cooking capacity with that 6.2 litre handled tank. Again, this is non-stick. By the way guys, when you're washing this tank, it's best to wash the food before it sticks and never leave it to soak with washing up liquid. Nah, trust me, it will end up corroding after time. Or do you know what, just go ahead and get some suitable air fryer liners. It's the best trick really. But you know what, enough with the yip yapping. Let's go ahead, plug it in and give it a blast. Ooh, nice. We press that illuminated power key just here. The air fryer will turn on, and as you can see we've got a number of functions to choose from. Sadly, even though we've got some illuminated presets, none of them can be personally chosen. Instead, you've got to press the preset key below. So if you press it a number of times, it will scroll through some of the presets, and with those presets we've got such selections like chicken. So yeah man, we can cook that chicken. Right. We've got seafood. Fish. Oh yeah, we can cook those nice fish fingers to go with my beans. Alright Ricky mate, get this down your flares in your chest. Bloody hell mate, slow down. You do know you still got something around your mouth still, don't you? Oh, we've got a pizza preset too. Yummy. French fries. Nice and crispy. We can also cook cakes. And even vegetables. I don't want vegetables. We've got such settings like the precise temperature and time selection settings, and we also have just here the shake function that will enable you once it's selected to alert you to shake in between cooking. For example, when you're cooking those French fries. Now obviously we have cooked some food this week while using the Ambiano air fryer, and I've got to say the presets, well, each one of them were almost spot on. I will say though I did put some items like chicken on for an extra 5 minutes or so, just to make sure that the chicken was thoroughly cooked. You know, I don't want to fall ill or anything like that, do I? But nevertheless, most of the functions worked very well, and I've got to be honest, I actually really do like this air fryer, even though it is super glossy to look at, and it's an absolute fingerprint magnet. Yeah, you're going to have to keep wiping it down guys to keep it shiny. Now, for the design, I do like the design, even though it is super glossy. I do think it fits into this kitchen, in this particular townhouse, very well. It will definitely coordinate with most of your black cooking appliances within your home. So for the design, I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10. Functionality, it's a bit sad that those preset options, you can't just select it using the touch function. You've got to actually scroll through it using that preset button. I mean, for the price, I guess that's what you get. So for functionality, we're going to give the Ambiano air fryer an 8 out of 10. For usage, we're simply going to give it a 9 out of 10. We cooked everything almost perfect this week. Affordability, this is one of its strong points. I mean, these do retail at £40 just now from your local Aldi store. That's around 50 in US dollars, and it's most certainly a steal. So for affordability, we're going to give it a 9 out of 10, with our overall score for the Ambiano air fryer coming in with a reasonable 8 out of 10. Now, if you're interested in this, I've left a link in the video description so you can take a closer look at this particular air fryer, or in fact get over to your local Aldi store and get one of these air fryers while stocks last. If you've liked what you've seen, well why not go ahead, go get yours. But you know what guys, it means so much if you please like and share this video wherever possible, so we can quickly grow this channel even further. And not only that, why don't you personally subscribe just now? Go on, it only takes a second, bearing in mind to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on our brand new uploads. Now we're going to be hopefully doing some more kitchen appliances in the near future, but if you want to see some of our previous kitchen appliances, such as this Ambiano food mixer just here, look at that one, that did very well, click on it. But if not, wait for our next one just here, how about that? No? Or why not wait around for our very next video and get subscribing? Catch you guys in a bit. Peace.